All right, here's progress on day 2. I'm not sure if I recorded the progress after day 1, but sorry about that. So here's day 2. Yeah, I'm pretty excited with what I've been able to get done. Today I've spent 7 hours working on it. You can see the design. It's all on the truck bed rail on the side here, and then an overhang. It just barely clears that antenna on top. So for sleeping, this will sleep 3. We've got a 1-person bed right here, and then 2-person bed down below. And this time I did the windows differently. I just glued 1.5-inch strips of plywood onto the wall instead of using screws or 2x2s. And this time, with that one window that I get from Home Depot, an 18 by 24 sheet of plexiglass, I've kept all 3 windows 24 inches long, and the side windows are 7 inches. They're 7 inches tall, and then this rear one that I added is just 4 inches tall, enough to let light in and to be able to see outside. So yeah, and then the inside here, here's that 3rd-person bed. It's 30 inches wide. And then here's another 30-inch bed down below for a 2nd person. And then I have another piece that fills in this gap for a 3rd-person bed down below. So this is the progress, and I'm excited. It's coming along really well. So thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.